Who doesn't like making money? That's right, we all like making money, and personally, making money with affiliate marketing is by far one of my favorite ways to do it, especially on YouTube. So today we're gonna go over how I've been using YouTube to make money passively with affiliate marketing, so do not miss a second of this video. And welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. My name is Jonathan Dunkerley, and I'm here to help you find the tools to make an income online. Before I dive into how I've been using this on YouTube, I wanted to explain what affiliate marketing is for those that don't know. Affiliate marketing is when an online retailer pays someone a commission in exchange for online traffic to their product that generates sales. A good example of this is sites like Amazon. People in the Amazon Associates program can promote links to the products on Amazon and get a cut of the sale price. So how have I been using this to generate sales on YouTube? So this is my most recent series of videos to promote an affiliate product on YouTube. And I think that the key word that you need to focus on is series. So as you can see right here, I have several videos that seem like they're on a similar theme. Some of them even have the same logo in them. But all of these videos, we have this one where it's talking about creating a deep fake of your voice, which if you don't know what that is, it's just creating a fake voice, like a version that sounds real like you. And then another is YouTube Shorts, how to make money with those, and then editing video with text, and then also easy audiograms. And then we also have repurpose your podcast. So all of these videos revolve around one product called DESCRIPT. In this first video, I made a video that was create a deep fake of your own voice, best text-to-speech software. So since I'm basically targeting two keywords, my primary keyword is create a deep fake of your own voice, and the secondary one is best text-to-speech software. So both of those are going to get discovered in the search engine, and then people will end up finding these videos. And when you start making a series of videos, you're going to start creating authority with YouTube. So the second video that I did was make money with YouTube Shorts without showing your face, because these are things that people tend to have limiting beliefs about. I don't want to be on camera, but then I have a tool, I have DESCRIPT, that's going to solve this problem. So I'm making a video where I'm solving a problem for somebody. They don't want to be on camera. They don't want to show their face. They don't want to talk on their videos. You could take DESCRIPT and you can create these overdub voices that are going to actually make it so you could make these videos without ever hiring a voiceover artist. And then I show them how to actually take these videos and get free stock footage and then make these videos. So I'm giving people a solution on how to do something and then offering them an affiliate product, which is going to be the solution. Now, people don't have to actually follow through and do what I say and use that affiliate product, but they could just watch the video and enjoy the video. But if they want to use the affiliate product, I've given them a solution because they found my video because they searched for it or it showed up in the suggested feed and they clicked on it. Or of course, somebody shared it with them. So as you can see in the third video in this series, I talk about how you could use DESCRIPT to edit with just text. This is one of the reasons I love DESCRIPT, because you could edit with the text and the closed caption file instead of editing with the sequence at the bottom. It makes it so easy for anybody that's just getting started with editing to edit very, very fast. So you can see what I'm doing here. I've now created 3 videos. Create a deep fake of your own voice, and that is related to DESCRIPT. Then I've made make money with YouTube Shorts without showing your face, also a tool that is revolving around DESCRIPT. And third, I've made a video, edit your YouTube video like a Word document with DESCRIPT, all tools related to the one product. I've given them now 3 ways to find me and shown YouTube that I have authority on this topic. Now, I'm not going to stop there. If you're getting value from this video, be sure that you smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. Now, I didn't stop with just 3 videos. I made a 4th one, which is also talking about another thing that you could do with DESCRIPT. I talked about how you can make audiograms. And if you don't know what audiograms are, they are audio clips where you create either showing the text being read and it highlights the text, or it could show a waveform and you could create all of these things with DESCRIPT. They're great for sharing on social media. They're great for just repurposing your content. I love repurposing content, and this is a great way to do it. So you could repurpose your content and create audiograms using this. And now I've given people another use case for the tool DESCRIPT. Also, people that are searching for maybe how to create an audiogram for social media. Maybe they may not be searching for DESCRIPT, but they're searching for creating an audiogram, and they'll find my video. YouTube will recommend it more because I've given it more authority on the topic. I've become an authority. And for my 5th video in this series, how to repurpose your video podcast with DESCRIPT, 75 plus pieces of content, I go over how I took my podcast episode, which is a video podcast, and I took that and I go over how I took my video podcast and I broke it up into 75 plus pieces of content per episode. And I talk about how I used DESCRIPT to do this and how it made it so much easier. Now I've given them 5 different amazing use cases, and I'm gonna probably make a couple more to add to this series. I make them about 5 to 10 videos typically. So 5 to 10 videos about one topic, really diving in, and then I can go farther and I could come back to this topic, but I've done now 5. So the thing that happens with that, if you're focusing on affiliate marketing, if you haven't noticed, these videos don't have a whole lot of views yet. They're pretty new videos. There's not a whole lot of traction on the videos yet, but those videos will start to pick up as I get more authority. And I could tell you, just from these 5 videos that I've done, I get sales, I get commissions, and I get people that end up signing up for DESCRIPT through my affiliate link that I place in the description of these videos. And I just place a link in a very convenient place for people to find. I put one above the fold, which is the first 3 lines of my description right here. You can see an example that I have right here. And I also pin it to the comments. That way people have 2 ways of finding my referral link. So in the end, I feel like this is one of the best ways for people to start making money with affiliate marketing with a small or new YouTube channel, because you could start making money with barely any views and just be fine-tuned into one product or one niche. And don't forget, you can make a full-time income from a small YouTube channel. With YouTube, it may take some time, but when those commissions start to come in, it's worth it. Just remember, only promote products that you truly believe in, like I did with DESCRIPT. Hey, and if you think that DESCRIPT is as cool as I do, you can grab a trial from the affiliate link in the description of this video. Are you gonna make your first series of videos promoting an affiliate product on YouTube? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, check out this video next. If you got value, be sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.